when you are a foreigner, you have to know some of the words you are supposed to say to the people on that country. You can't say South Africans are lazy because you have got a work in South Africa every month to get a salary. Other South Africans are not lazy. They are struggling to get some of the job. Yes, other they are lazy. Other of them they work hard. Even in Zimbabwe, it's not about all Zimbabweans they are hard workers. Other Zimbabweans are not hard workers, are lazy. They don't want to get to work. Other they can come in South Africa and work hard. So it's different. In every country there are less people. South Africans, they have got rights, guys. They are the owner of this country. They have to choose. You know that when you are a foreigner, you don't have a choice. You can do any job you can do to survive. But those people are the owner of the countries. They can choose that salary is okay for them, or they can feed with their kids. But when they are not okay with the salary, they can talk. That salary is not enough. You understand? But don't say that South Africans are lazy. I think that is not a good word. Even in Zimbabwe, in Mozambique, in Botswana, there are hard workers people and lazy people. It's not all of them that every foreigner is a hard worker. It's not like that. Even other foreigners, they can choose the job that I can't do the kind of job like that. Other foreigners, they can choose other jobs like South Africans. You understand it? But now you are in a foreign land. You don't have a choice. You can do the kind of job. Even you are go to other countries, America, UK, why they call us to say we have to do a care work to take care of people who are disabled and the old people. But as white people, it's not about there are people who are not jobless. They choose jobs. Even South Africans, they have got right to choose job that I can't do the kind of job. I can't be a housekeeper. I can't be a garden boy. They have a choice because in their countries they have got many job opportunities. But as foreigners, we don't have a choice. Even you came from Zimbabwe, you are a teacher, you are a nurse. But when you came in a foreign land, you can be a garden boy. You can be a housekeeper because you compare your salary. You know that other housekeepers in South Africa, when we compare with their salaries with teachers and nurses in Zimbabwe, housekeepers in South Africa, they are earning better money than those people who are working in government, policemen, nurses, and teachers. So sometimes don't say they are lazy. No, they have got right, guys. In South Africa, when you are working in government, you have got a better salary. You understand? That's why they have got a choice to choose jobs.